Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, working as assistant professor from SNS College of Technology, and in our previous video we have seen what solar desalination is and the theoretical explanation of basin type and the description of basin type and the phases, essential phases involved in solar desalination. Okay, in today's video we are going to see the working of the solar desalination. Okay, so the solar desalination is a technique to desalinate water using solar energy. Okay, so uh, it consists of four basic elements. Okay, so that's what given in the diagram. You can see that the basic element in a solar strip. Okay, the first one is incoming radiation. Okay, the incoming radiation is nothing but the energy. Okay, in this case we are using solar, so the energy will be the sun rays, and then the water vapor produced from bright. Okay, obviously the water vapor which was produced from the brine, and the third one is condensation of water vapor, and the fourth one is collection of condensation. Okay, so in this diagram you can see that there is a system which was placed in water bodies like ocean or lakes or anywhere. So it consists of in the bottom we have a overflow line. Okay, and then a insulator is provided in the system, and in the diagram you can see that there is a sun, the incoming solar radiation, which is the incoming radiation, that means the energy, and then desalination or the so you can see the desalination process which is provided in an arrow mark given, and the water will be converted into vapor, and when it reaches the transparent cover, okay, there is a triangular part which is transparent cover. Mostly it will be manufactured by the form of glasses. Okay, so that it can allow the water, so that it can allow the energy to and it can react with water to convert it into vapor, and then a filter will be provided at the end. Okay, so for this type of solar energy, the energy in the motivational energy is penetrating the surface of the water, warm it and cause it evaporation. Okay, so the upper layer is in the form of glass or in a transparent cover, so that it makes the evaporation process much easier. Okay, it also provide the wind which transport the vapor to the cooler region, where the vapor condenses as liquids, reproduce on a very small scale. Okay, the first three phases of hydrological cycle produces pure water. Okay, the first three phases of the process will produce a pure water. Okay, so the simplest solar still generally known as the basin type solar still. Okay, the simplest type of this desalination is called basin type. Okay, basin type solar still is shown in the diagram which is given in the PPT. It consists of a black basin containing saline water at a shallow depth, over which is a transparent airtight cover that encloses completely the space above the basin. Okay, then the cover, which is usually glass, may be of plastic, is sloped towards a collection through. Okay, the collection will be sloped towards a collector. Okay, solar energy after passing through the transparent cover, it absorbed by the water and the basin liner, and thereby warm the water, causing evaporation. Okay, it will lead to the evaporation process. Then the transparent cover material is cooler than the water surface, as it does not absorb the solar radiation. This temperature difference produces convection currents in the air which is trapped inside the enclosure. These currents bring the humidity air into contact with a relatively cool cover, and the result in condensation of some of the humidity of the surface. Okay. So this is the process which was used in solar desalination. Thank you.